All right, coming to you guys from a 2006 Z car, baby. I'm fat. These things are small. Now I know why my mom and stepdad. Well, I got a new one in 03. Or 04. They got a convertible. Ooh. And then I got one a couple of, let's say last year. It was like a 13 or 14 model convertible. And I didn't keep it but 5 or 6 months. I mean, I was like, did y'all not remember why you got rid of the first one? My stepdad's a little bit, he's kind of a big guy. I was like, these cars are tiny. This one only has 96,000 miles, guys. And believe it or not, it runs really well. No warning lights except for a brake light. But that could be sometimes emergency brakes, sometimes trigger that. Dude, we got some cold AC. Man, that's good cold AC. I like that kind of AC. We've got a friend that's looking for one of these for their soon-to-be 16-year-old son, which I don't know if that's the best idea or not. But that's not for me to decide, is it? 96,000 miles, not bad on an 06. That's low miles. Non-turbo, automatic. But still got plenty of beans, man. Got plenty of beans. Yeah, no T-tops or sunroof. Just kind of a base model, I'd say. It does have leather, though. And boy, are these seats hugging my body. Hugging me. Huggy, huggy. I like the exhaust on this. Someone's put some pipes on it. They sound good. Yeah, baby. I haven't driven one of these in years. Years and years. This is a Nissan store trade-in here in Chattanooga. Who knows? They may have traded it in their new Z car that's just come out or about to come out. Maybe they traded for it. It's not in bad shape, really. You know, it doesn't look like it's been beat on or ass whipped. Headlights look decent. Paint looks decent. Wheels look decent. I don't see a lot of curb rash or anything. I see no curb rash. No fin, I like that. No wing, just some nice big pipes down there. Look at that. Pretty sooty, probably burns a little oil, I would imagine. Who knows? Yeah, I mean, this thing's in pretty decent shape. Someone took care of it. I mean, it's a little dirty, but I mean, look at the bolster. It's got just a little spot. It doesn't stink. It doesn't smell like smoke or animals or nothing. Looks pretty solid. Got great tires on it. Good old 3.5 Nissan engine right there, buddy. I think that's what was in my M35 Infiniti. That's a great motor, man. You can't beat it. Good old time and chain motor. Excuse me. Oh, choked up. Yeah, that's a sweet little rig. I like this. Ooh, I like that exhaust. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.